Presently, I am Colonel with the Indian Army. I would have been a civil servant because I cleared my IS prelims in my first attempt. My chest number was 23.
अच्छा,
Prelims
अपने
I
CDS के
cleared.
तो मार्क्स बताइए।
All India ranking used to come in the newspaper, and that was my ranking was.
आप बताइए अपने SSB एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में।
That is one of the best part of the life. At that time, we used to be second lieutenant, so 1 star. You walk 6 inches above the ground. Oh yes, I am one of those rare officers who have done 2 Siachen Glacier tenors.
आप तो जानते हो जैसे मेरे को, तो आपको क्या लगता है मैं मतलब ठीक हूँ आर्मी के लिए?
आर्मी इज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ। हाँ, ई कोनो टैलेंट ना है, ई त हमार बोली है घर का। तो जब सबई घर में भोजपुरी, हमरे माई के त खाली भोजपुरी आवेले। So there are around 1000 children will be of the same level, but those 100 who will join, they will be lucky.
मम्मा से आप कितने टाइम बाद मिले थे आर्मी में जाने के?
कुछ नहीं, मैं छुट्टी आया हुआ था, मैं गर्लफ्रेंड बनाना चाहता था और फिर मैंने फोन पे बात की और मुझे आवाज बहुत अच्छी लगी।
So वो लाइक डेंजरस थे?
Yeah, it's counter insurgency operations.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट द सैलरी।
As a central government employee, we are well paid.
कितना बता सकते हो आप?
Who said you want to know my salary?
हाँ।
My both children, you and Lakshya, have studied in government colleges, so I don't have to pay any capitation, any donation. नहीं, about selection, let me tell you, there is no impact. Your social status, a truck driver's son can become an army officer. There is no nepotism and there is no reservation.
हाँ, सो ये काफी सारी क्वालिटीज हैं जो मैंने पापा से इनहेरिट करी है। आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे ये लगता है कि मैंने आप लोगों को काफी इंडिपेंडेंस दी है। You should be able to walk with kings. At the same time, you should be able to have a grub with a daily wager. You are such a darling child.
पापा का वही है, किसी भी काइंड ऑफ क्राउड में ही कैन ब्लेंड इन। अगर कोई जा भी रहा है अपने पापा के पैसों पे तो भी गलत किया है उसने।
Yes.
अब जो शाहरुख खान की बेटी है उसको उस लेवल की लाइफस्टाइल मिल रही है। बॉल के बारे में आई है, बॉल के बारे में। सो किसके साथ गए थे आप?
Only one guy had a girlfriend. हमने उसको बहुत पराठे खिलाए कि भाई आपने उसको बोलो हमें भी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड बनवा दे।
Has your dad ever slapped you? The answer is yes. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video you all. Quite a different setup this time, and here I have my dad, my special guest for this video.
Hi.
तो तेज बोलिए आए।
Hi.
पापा ज़्यादा कैमरा में देख नहीं पाएंगे क्योंकि वो गाड़ी चला रहे हैं। सो राइट नाउ वी आर ऑन अ रोड ट्रिप, क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग वन, एंड टाइम पास करने के लिए हमने सोचा लेट अस फिल्म अ फन लाइक पॉडकास्ट काइंड ऑफ अ वीडियो बिकॉज आई हैव बीन गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड्स टू हैव माई डैड ऑन माई चैनल टू आंसर यू गाइज क्वेश्चन। आई एक्चुअली मेड अ कम्युनिटी पोस्ट yesterday and you guys sent so many questions, so we are going to try to cover as many as we possibly can. Are you ready?
Oh yes, I'm ready. Always ready. Ever ready. But Lavanya, before you start, I must tell you few questions I might skip.
क्यों? अच्छा हाँ, इफ सिक्योरिटी का वो है देन ओके। तो सबसे पहले बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे पापा के प्रोफेशन से ही रिलेटेड है। बेसिक आर्मी की डिटेल्स वगैरह बता दीजिए, रैंक एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, कहाँ से पास आउट हो, कौन से ईयर में हुए हो, एंड देन आपका SSB की एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
I passed out from Indian Military Academy in the year 1996 and I joined academy in the month of December 94. Now I'm putting almost 30 years of service. Presently I am Colonel with the Indian Army and I am posted somewhere in the western border side.
एंड पापा का सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में हुआ था CDS। रिटन तो दोनों बार हुआ था, तो SSB सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में हुआ था।
Yeah, my first attempt was at Bhopal.
सेम एज माइन।
And I got selected from SSB 17, that is Bangalore. But it was good that I was selected in second attempt because even if I had cleared it my first attempt, I could not have joined because my graduation result was pending.
तो पापा ने ऐसी एक्सपीरियंस के लिए दे दिया एंड वो एक्सपीरियंस काम आया बिकॉज उसी की वजह से आपका सेकंड वाला बेटर हो पाया, वरना फर्स्ट में तो पापा काइंड ऑफ क्लूलेस थे जो आप बता रहे थे।
Oh yes, first attempt since I am not from an army background, my father was a PGT maths in Kendriya Vidyalaya, so he was not much aware of the army when I was not much aware. But when I saw after first attempt, I knew that I will make it because then I made my plans how to go about it.
लोगों लाइक पूछते हैं कि NDA से हुए थे या CDS से, सो माय डैड इज फ्रॉम CDS, है ना?
Yes.
NDA होता था उस टाइम पे?
No, NDA is always there.
एंड एक क्वेश्चन था कि अगर आप वो नहीं करते, आर्मी में नहीं जाते, तो क्या कर रहे होते आप?
I would have been a civil servant because I cleared my IS prelims in my first attempt in the year 1994. I cleared my MP PCS prelims and I had my plan for civil services, but since army selections are very fast, so whatever came first to my hand, I just grabbed it.
क्योंकि उस वक्त पापा के लिए प्रायोरिटी थी सेटल होना एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल, है ना?
Yes, that
And-
was my priority.
he took the first opportunity that presented itself. अगला क्वेश्चन आप बताइए अपने SSB एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे आपसे एंड आपका वो सब भी क्या था कि लाइक कितने लोग शो अप हुए थे एंड कितने सेलेक्ट हुए थे, बेसिकली सारी वो डिटेल्स बताइए जो भी आपको SSB के बारे में याद है अपने।
जिस दिन मुझे अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करनी थी मेरा टिकट खो गया, तो मैं पापा से बहुत डरता था, तो उनको मैंने बताया नहीं कि मैंने टिकट खोया एंड आई ट्रेवल्ड विदाउट टिकट फ्रॉम झांसी टू बैंगलोर। बच्चे थे यार, उस टाइम पे इतना आइडिया नहीं था, एक अच्छा ग्रुप मिल गया तो मैं उन्हीं ग्रुप के साथ ही I kept on traveling. It was a last absentee batch. It was the last batch because first call I could not go. Second call I admit card was not delivered at a proper address. And this was a third call. It was a batch of 47 boys. So out of 47, we got 7 selected and that was a very, very high selection rate. My chest number was 23 and 4 people were before me. So I was not very hopeful, but then my name was there. And another 2 guys were there.
हाँ, तो आपका रिएक्शन क्या था जब आपका नाम बोला कि आप हो चुके हो सेलेक्ट?
मुझे इतना याद नहीं है, बट
आपको याद नहीं है इतना इम्पोर्टेंट मोमेंट अपनी लाइफ का?
I was happy. I was very happy. I just wanted to go out and inform my father.
हाँ, फिर उनका क्या रिएक्शन था, ये भी एक क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ डिड माय ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स, मतलब दादा दादी ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया?
Papa was happy. He said good, shabash, and he said I knew you will do it.
SSB के आप क्वेश्चंस बता सकते हो इंटरव्यू में जो आपसे पूछे थे?
Yes, one odd questions I remember. Compare Bangalore with Allahabad because I had gone from Allahabad, so I compared that well. One situation reaction test I remember, that simple chain snatching and what will you do, what will you do. This question was a very general question, why you want to join army. So my answer was very straight from the heart.
एकदम प्रैक्टिकल, कोई मतलब मिस इंडिया शुगर कोटेड आंसर नहीं था, क्या था आपका आंसर?
My answer was that it's a class 1 job. At that time, you know, IS का basic pay 2200 होता था और army का basic pay 2300 होता था. So I said salary is good, and whenever I visit the houses of army officers, I get very impressed. You know, spick span, neat and clean. And you know, a middle class family in those times, getting a class 1 job itself was considered an achievement. So get independent as fast as possible. These were the reasons I told.
हाँ, तो someone asked if पापा लाइक बचपन से ही उनका ड्रीम था आर्मी में जाना?
ऐसा नहीं था, but yes, it was one of the priority because my childhood has gone in the my childhood was in Kendriya Vidyalaya Talbet, which is a small military station. So I was quite impressed with military way of life.
And after so many years down the road, do you think it was worth it?
Honestly speaking, yeah, it is worth it. Other than army, if I could have preferred any other thing, that is at that time it was civil services.
अच्छा, अपने CDS के तो मार्क्स बताइए.
CDS marks in those days, written marks were never told, and neither the SSB marks were told. All India ranking used to come in the newspaper, and that was my ranking was 76th.
हाँ, तो IMA से पापा ने करी है अपनी ट्रेनिंग, अपना थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग डेज का एक्सपीरियंस बताइए कैसा रहा था?
Oh, that is one of the best part of the life. How that 1.5 years went off, पता ही नहीं चला.
People want to know fun stories of your training days. So if you remember any.
Oh, they are numerous. So they will take lots of time. It can take a book to write on that. But yes, we had one officer. He was very, किसी का जूठा नहीं खाना, किसी का ग्लास से पानी नहीं पीना and all that. And बहुत hygiene, sanitation maintain करना. So one very funny incident that we were in a camp and in same mess tin, and that is mess tin is a tiffin box, and we 5 people were having Maggie. So initially he was hesitant, but then because of hunger he had to join. But Maggie was very hot, so one of the guys took a bite and he put it back again in the mess tin. Now everybody was looking at each other, what he has spoiled everything, but then we all polished it up. The hunger doesn't see anything. So even that guy also, he also joined and finished everything.
So वहाँ पे आपके comfort and आपके like मतलब high maintenance लोग नहीं चलेंगे वहाँ पे, you know, you have to adapt to वहाँ की lifestyle.
वो भी जो एक वडाली ब्रदर के उसमें तुम लोग लेट पहुँचे थे.
हाँ, there was a program of Vadali brothers at that time.
Vadali brothers क्या है?
There's a famous singers हैं, they are folk singers. उनका concert चल रहा था and we all were so tired, we all slept off. So all of sudden जब light on हुआ, अचानक खत्म हो गया program, and जब light on हुआ तो we all were sleeping. Commandant saw us, and that day, whole night we were on Patti Parade. Patti Parade is something, every 10 minutes you have to change your dress and reach a new location. So all night we kept on doing that.
तो वही टॉर्चरस है, तो ये इस टाइप की पनिशमेंट्स आपको मिलती थी?
No, this is not torturous. These all are fun, because you do in group. So these punishments are fun. I remember we lost a hockey match. Then our instructor came in the night from some party at around 12 o'clock and it was raining.
हाँ
So we were very happy. Now it is raining. He cannot have our ragging session and all that.
हाँ
No punishment will be given. But he made us stand in the rain. 2 hours we kept on doing push-ups and rolling and all those things.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन किसी ने पूछा आपके ड्रिल उस्ताद का नाम क्या है?
Oh, drill ustad. This question must have been asked by somebody who is from defense background. Drill,
Okay.
drill is the morning parade, you know, that left, right, what Republic Day on parade, what you say, that is known as drill.
ओके
So that was a very dreaded period, you know.
हाँ
So everybody remembers the drill ustad's name. We had many drill ustads, but yes, one main name I remember. He was Havaldar Kasana from Rajput Regiment.
अब आते हैं आपके आर्मी में आने के बाद, ठीक है? किसी ने पूछा फर्स्ट डे आफ्टर कमीशनिंग, आपकी पहली पोस्टिंग कहाँ थी ये भी बता दीजिए.
My first posting was Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh.
सो कैसा था आपका फर्स्ट डे आफ्टर कमीशनिंग?
Oh, very exciting. At that time, we used to be second lieutenant, so 1 star. You know, you walk 6 inches above the ground, feeling very good, elated, happy.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सियाचिन पोस्टिंग का चांस मिला है उन्हें या सर्व कर चुके हो आप?
Oh yes, I am one of those rare officers who have done 2 Siachen Glacier tenors, and that too in first 5 years of service. So I have seen every inch of all glacier.
कैसा है आप तो लाइक मतलब मेन लाइफ से कट ऑफ हो जाते होगे ना?
Oh yes, now things have improved a lot, but yes, in those days the life was very tough. It was cut off 5 months. We used to on a isolated post. एक second, straight है ना? वो तो चंडीगढ़ जा रहा है, शिमला चंडीगढ़,
इनको चंडीगढ़ ही जाने को बोल रही है.
पटियाला लुधियाना तो सीधा दिखा रहा है इधर.
अभी तक की आपकी सबसे टफेस्ट पोस्टिंग कौन सी रही है?
Difficult question to answer because I didn't find any posting as tough posting because I enjoyed all postings. So toughness तो नहीं था, but yes, if you're asking for the physical toughness and all that, so glacier was the first glacier tenure in the year 97.
एंड सबसे फेवरेट पोस्टिंग कौन सी रही है आपकी?
My all have been favorites. When I look back,
सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा कहाँ आया लेना आपको? ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता.
I had a posting in South Kashmir. That was my very challenging and interesting posting. 2 postings in South Kashmir and both were challenging and favorite in their own way.
ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मेरे को आर्मी में जाने के रिलेटेड. आप चाहते हो कि मैं जाऊँ?
Oh yes, why not? But only if you enjoy.
आप तो जानते हो जैसे मेरे को, तो आपको क्या लगता है मैं मतलब ठीक हूँ आर्मी के लिए या मेरे लिए कुछ और बेटर रहेगा?
For you, I think you are made for civil services. You are good in studies and you can write really well. So for you, ideal is either civil services or you have got a good teaching skills. So you can be a professor in some nice university. But army is also good for you because it will make you physically and mentally tough.
बट लाइक जिस वे में आर्मी रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग है तो वो मेरी पर्सनालिटी से काइंड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन में जा रही है, डोंट यू थिंक?
Oh yes, that is there. Little army environment is little restricted in its own way. And seeing your creative nature, I think for you it will be a tough call. You know, whatever decision you take, you generally take appropriate decision. Decision is right or wrong is lies in future only. So very difficult to comment at this stage. But yes, I am sure you will, if you join army, you will do well there also.
सो यही सब था आपकी ट्रेनिंग वगैरह आर्मी से रिलेटेड. इसके अलावा और कुछ आप बताना चाहते हैं?
खुद से I can tell one thing that
क्या?
army is not a profession which everybody keeps telling, and at a cost of repetition and reiteration I am also saying this thing. Army is a way of life. It is not a profession. So somebody who wants to rise very high in life, earn lots of money, earn lots of fame and all those things, for them this career may not be that attractive. But somebody who likes sports, adventure, fresh air, new places to explore and a different way of life, of course discipline, then army is very good.
Now this next segment is super exciting because my dad, in case you don't know, उनको भोजपुरी आती है काफ़ी अच्छे से because he has grown up in his गाँव and everybody speaks भोजपुरी there. So पापा अपना टैलेंट क्या मतलब उनको आती है, so वो दिखाने वाले हैं. So कुछ बोल के दिखाइए.
हाँ, ये कोनो टैलेंट ना है, ये तो हमार बोली है घर का. और जब सबई घर में भोजपुरी बोले तो हम भोजपुरी बोल ले, तो इनमें कोनो टैलेंट का बात ना है, लेकिन बहुत मीठ बोली भाई. हमरे माई के तो खाली भोजपुरी आवेले, वो तो हिंदी बोलू ना पावेली बुझाइल तोरा के कुछ
मजा आ गया. So let me know what you guys think about my dad's Bhojpuri. Someone is asking about officer like qualities. So SSB में भी like these officer like qualities से बहुत emphasis दिया जाता है. So आप में तो होंगी ये obviously. How much do they matter like SSB में कितना like luck factor रहता है? What do you think?
As far as OLQs are considered, there are many OLQs. Some school of thought will say 3, some will say 11, some will say 16. But now I'll give you my personal take on this. I have not met anyone who has got selected and he knows why he is selected. And I don't meet people who get rejected. Why they got rejected, even they don't know. I don't know what is being seen there and what is not.
It is a little random. इसमें तो कोई doubt नहीं है.
So as far as the luck factor, it is not only in the army, everywhere that factor will be there. 10,000 people will be of the same caliber and there the destiny plays its role. So destiny, certainly you call it destiny, you call luck, you call probability, you call by chance, whatever you want to say. Suppose you people go, so there are around 1,000 children will be of the same level, but those 100 who will join, they will be lucky.
तो आर्मी में आपका सबसे ज़्यादा exhilarating and thrilling experience कौन सा रहा है? कोई any specific operation?
That was my Rashtriya Rifles tenure, again in Kashmir Valley,
Okay.
where I had few operations that I can't discuss with you here.
So वो like dangerous थे like?
Yeah, it's counterinsurgency operations. So these operations, of course, they are dangerous.
Okay.
We are trained for this.
Next question is about the salary. So वो भी आप बता दीजिए कि पहले कितनी थी, अब कितनी है?
Salary, as I told you, army people don't join for salary. Salary is one part of it, but salary is good. Our men or officers or JCOs, it is all salary is good. As a central government employees, we are well paid.
कितना बता सकते हो आप?
Who said you want to know my salary?
हाँ.
My salary now at this stage, I can tell you my first salary which I got.
हाँ कितना?
That was 3,000 rupees something.
3,000.
Yes, that was in 1996. Today I am getting around touching 3 lakh rupees, of which around 70-80 goes in tax. So somewhere 225, 220 I get.
So ये
It
सब
is all available on internet. You can go and see the pay band.
So like some people like मेरा channel देख के they have this like misconception like you guys are like super rich, how do you like afford it, all these trips वगैरह.
Oh no,
so
that-
इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं है. like आर्मी ऑफिसर्स की मतलब अच्छी सैलरी में ही होता है.
अगर आपके लिए कि आप you are traveling and all this, so I can tell about my specific this thing. Since I don't have any liabilities, you know, I don't smoke, I don't drink much, so those expenses are not there. My both children, you and Lakshya, have studied in government colleges throughout, so I don't have to pay any capitation, any donation, no fees. So my salary is good saving. Then I have served maximum in the field areas. In field area you get allowances, and you know, traveling in Asian countries, as if you compare, traveling to Vietnam is cheaper than traveling to even Goa.
हाँ.
So traveling to Asian countries, like the countries which you are traveling and all that,
Thailand वगैरह. It's
so
like-
they are very cheap countries. So it is a myth that lots of money is required to travel. Some good financial planning, a timely booking of tickets. We are not living a very super rich lifestyle or neither a very poor lifestyle. Government pays us enough. For me, I have got an added advantage, as I told you, कि you both children are maintenance free. अंजलि की भी बहुत खर्चे नहीं है, and she earns herself from last so many years. You are independent from last 4-5 years. So I don't have to spend money. I don't have any liability, and that is why you are able to take on these trips to foreign and one odd good bags you buy. It's of your own this thing. In fact, this watch is presented to me by you only on my birthday.
Also since आप like insider हो आर्मी में, there are some like myths about it and some stereotypes. तो कुछ ऐसा है जो आप बस्ट करना चाहोगे कि बाहर के लोगों को ये लगता है बट इतना भी नहीं होता, इन रियलिटी इट इज एग्जैजरेटेड, या फिर ये सच नहीं है?
See, any organization which is very close or people have less penetration in that, there the chances of myth are more.
some people जो बहुत ज़्यादा like चढ़ाते हैं आर्मी को.
In the Indian context, in my opinion, since we have got little troubled borders also, insurgency here and there, so the relevance of army is little more in our country. But nothing, it should not be something like nation building and all that, like होता है ना 15 अगस्त 26 जनवरी को आप आर्मी वालों के लिए, ऐसा नहीं है. I feel everybody is patriot. हर आदमी देश के लिए कर रहा है और सब लोग कर रहे हैं. And army people are doing, yes, of course, nationalism is there, country feeling is there, feeling for men is there, but at the same time we are doing it because we are paid for it. We are supposed to do it. It is a job for us. Yes, indeed, since it is a collective organization where situation can come where life threatening or where you have to sacrifice your life. So in that particular matter, certainly this organization has an edge over other organizations.
हाँ, आपने बोला था लाइक स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह एडवेंचर अगर आपको पसंद है तो आपको आर्मी में जाना चाहिए. समवन इज आस्किंग अगर कोई नहीं खेलता है स्पोर्ट्स तो उसका इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा उसके सिलेक्शन पे?
नहीं, about selection let me tell you, there is no impact. Your social status, your economical status, you are a musician or a sportsman, all these things doesn't matter at all. SSB is a pattern. There are 3 people are judging you. That is GTO is judging you, there's a psychologist is judging you, and there is an interviewer who is judging you. 3 people are judging you in 3 different ways. And they don't meet, they don't discuss about you during the course of judgment. They meet in the last and then they see. So that is why you will see a truck driver's son can become an army officer and a general son can fail SSB. So
This also someone was asking, is there any sort of nepotism in CDS?
there is no nepotism and there is no reservation in CDS, and that is why if you take out, if you can do Google or if you can from RTI you can find out the people who are getting selected, then you will be surprised to know that people from middle class and lower middle class are maximum in the academies. If the children of your group and preparing, I would like to take this opportunity to assure all of them that system is very, very fair, though randomness is there. At times a very good candidate may be left out, but otherwise system is fair.
आपकी लाइक पर्सोना कैसी थी आर्मी में?
My image was, I was good in sports. So during training, if somebody is good in sports, he gets little advantage.
एंड पापा की सोशल अडेप्टेबिलिटी भी बहुत है. सोशल अडेप्टेबिलिटी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट OLQs दैट हेल्प्ड यू.
Oh, that helped me a lot.
Your parents have raised you and your brother exceptionally well, and both of you exhibit admirable humility. I would like to ask your father what lessons he taught you while you were growing up that are now reflected in both of your personalities. काफ़ी well-crafted question. What's your well-crafted answer?
No, there's not crafting in this, but this answer should be given by you actually. कि what values we have given to you.
देखिए पापा ना बहुत ही humble है, like grounded है, काफ़ी हाई अचीविंग है पापा, लाइक एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही इज़ वेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, लाइक आई सेड, विच इज़ द मेन थिंग दैट अपनी ड्यूटी जो उनकी है वो तो वो करते ही हैं, बट उससे भी बढ़ के he does, and like he has a big heart, you can say, very sincere. हाँ, so ये काफ़ी सारी क्वालिटीज़ हैं जो मैंने पापा से इनहेरिट करी हैं. आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे ये लगता है कि मैंने आप लोगों को काफ़ी इंडिपेंडेंस दी है, फंक्शनल इंडिपेंडेंस, व्हाट टू स्टडी व्हाट नॉट टू स्टडी. आप लोगों को यही बोला है कि आप लोगों को व्हाट एवर यू डू एंड ऑल, बट योर लाइफ में रेंज बहुत होनी चाहिए. यू शुड बी एबल टू वॉक विद किंग्स एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू शुड बी एबल टू हैव अ ग्रब with a daily wager with the same comfort, you know.
पापा का वही यही his social adaptability again, कि वो किसी भी kind of crowd में he can blend in, whether it's like old people या फिर छोटे छोटे बच्चे हों, या फिर it is a very like hi-fi crowd, या फिर it is a humble crowd. So हर जगह पापा काफ़ी blend in हो जाते हैं.
You should be like water, you know, whatever container you put, you take that shape.
So that is what I like about him, because वो शायद मुझ में उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, because I am very selective in the kinds of circles that I blend in. So वो मुझे आई थिंक पापा से और लेनी चाहिए. बट पापा मेरे को दोनों को ओरेशन काफ़ी पसंद है. So I think that is something I got from my dad, है ना?
Yes, you have always been wonderful in that, and I have, in all the debates which I have participated, I have stood good position.
पापा ने ओवरऑल भी काफ़ी कुछ किया है अपने लाइफ में, हर चीज़ ही आपने करी है.
My biggest achievement is passing first division from Allahabad University with these 3 subjects. Which
Yeah.
I was challenged that I will not get first division in this. That is literature English and literature English, history medieval, and political science. I could manage, and I got a prize of ₹200 in those times.
Now childhood memories के बारे में the question, if you have any memorable one from my childhood that you remember.
My childhood.
My childhood.
Oh yes, you were such a darling child and you used to take attention of everybody. So I used to travel a lot, Jaipur, here, they are all historical places. So all foreigners used to, you know, interact with you. They try to take you, play with you.
The next question is about my mom and you. How did you guys meet? क्योंकि बहुत सारे questions आए हैं इससे related.
कुछ नहीं, मैं छुट्टी आया हुआ था और मैं गर्लफ्रेंड बनाना चाहता था. मेरे एक दोस्त ने ये नंबर दिया था और फिर मैंने फ़ोन पे बात की और मुझे आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी और फिर हम दोस्त बन गए और फिर हमने शादी कर ली. एंड रिजल्ट इज़ यू.
Wow. short and sweet. What was your dad's reaction when you told him about your YouTube channel? इसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं था कि I sat him down one day and I was like, मेरा एक channel है पापा, क्या reaction है आपका? उनको पता ही था. But what do you think about it?
Oh, I get mesmerized by the power of the social media. आपके चैनल के बारे में मुझे लगता है कि you put in lots of hard work. Your channel is, the material which you produce and your editing. This all is very awesome. But accordingly, I feel that your viewership should be more, because I see many channels which are very popular, and though by luck or I don't know, there's nothing in that, but
Like आपने बोला लक हर फील्ड में काम करता है, सो सोशल मीडिया में तो स्पेशली लक फैक्टर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, ये एक किसी ने लिखा है, अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ हेट कमेंट आप कह सकते हो. खुद कुछ मत करना, बस पापा के पैसों पे पूरी दुनिया घूम लो, और किसी बात की टेंशन तो है नहीं आपको. हाँ,
नहीं, ये हेट कमेंट नहीं है, अनअवेयर कमेंट है. द गाय और गर्ल हु हैज कमेंटेड, ही इज अनअवेयर ऑफ द थिंग्स. लेट मी टेल दैट last 5 years you have been throughout independent, and all your foreign visits you have sponsored yourself.
हाँ वो तो ठीक है, बट अगर कोई जा भी रहा है अपने पापा के पैसों पे तो भी गलत किया है उसमें.
लेकिन हाँ, I was coming next on that. And secondly, जो भी हो, चाहे मैं हूँ चाहे कोई भी पापा हो, अगर वो पैसा कमाते हैं तो वो अपने बच्चों के लिए ही कमाते हैं. अगर उनके बच्चे अगर उनके पापा के पैसों पे नहीं जाएंगे तो फिर कौन जाएगा? there is nothing wrong in it.
And everybody gets the lifestyle associated with the family that they are born into.
Yes.
अब जो शाहरुख खान की बेटी है उसको उस लेवल की लाइफस्टाइल मिल रही है. अब मैं पापा की बेटी हूँ तो मुझे पापा की लेवल की लाइफस्टाइल मिल रही है.
Obviously, this is a pure, it's a chance कि where you have taken birth.
Yeah.
Accordingly, you will get your life.
And it is not like I am a spoiled brat or ungrateful for it or something like that. But yeah, next question एक है आपके बॉल के बारे में, IMA बॉल के बारे में. So किसके साथ गए थे आप?
वो हमारे एक ऑफिसर थे, तो उनको मालूम था हमारी कैपेबिलिटीज़, हमारी किसी की कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं थी, तो आउट ऑफ आर 7-8 गाइज ओनली 1 गाय हैड अ गर्लफ्रेंड. सो हमने उसको बहुत पराठे खिलाए कि भाई आपने उसको बोलो हमें भी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड बनवा दे. बट कोई बनी नहीं. तो वो हमारे थे, कैप्टन कपूर नाम था उनका, तो वो कहते थे मैं कैसे इतनी सारी लड़कियों का तुम लोगों के लिए बंदोबस्त करूँ, यू गाइज आर यूजलेस. एंड रियली वी वर यूजलेस. सो IMA बॉल वी डांस्ड with
Alone.
ourselves or somebody, senior officer's wife, or little bit that way. No question now in that, because that is a very painful thing.
मम्मा से आप कितने टाइम बाद मिले थे आर्मी में जाने के?
Oh, that is after 6 years.
Next question is, do people with army background have advantage in entrance exams?
In entrance exam, no advantage, and in SSB again no advantage. In fact, it may go other way around. Expectations becomes very high from the defense background people, so it can be other way around. You have to perform better than the normal guys.
Okay, ये एक kind of personal question है. How should I convince my dad to allow me to join Indian Army even though I cleared NDA? He didn't allow me for my SSB. He wants his son to continue his jewelry business legacy. क्या लगता है आपको?
No, if he is passionate about army, he should not convince his father. He should just go and join. If he clears SSB, he will go and he will just join NDA. Once he joins NDA, then his father will not say anything and he will be happy also later on.
And try to manaw like that Farhan from 3 Idiots, like that. नहीं मान रहे फिर भी then just still go for it.
And another ये है कि अगर उनके डैड को अगर एक NDA की विजिट करा दोगे, if you go and see NDA once, I think your father will agree. He will get convinced himself.
Has your dad ever slapped you? The answer is yes, obviously he has. अभी काफ़ी टाइम से नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन बचपन में तो जब पापा मुझे मैथ्स पढ़ाते थे, that is like my traumatic core memory that I have, and I think most of the people have this, studying on the dining table with their dad. मैथ्स स्पेशली जैसे वो कहते थे कि मैथ्स की बुक लेके आओ चलो पढ़ते हैं, मेरे आंखों में आंसू आ जाते थे वो सुनते ही. एंड माई डैड इज़ नॉट वेरी टॉलरेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू टीचिंग, अनलाइक मी.
But I think those slaps were responsible for making you get 96 or 98 out of 100.
बाय द वे माई मॉम हैज़ ऑल्सो बिन हियर इन द बैक फॉर सो लॉन्ग. तब से वो हमारा सुन रही हैं, बीच बीच में अपना भी दे रही हैं. सो या, बट नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोना डू द आउट्रो. दैट वाज दिस वीडियो अ लिटिल डिफरेंट काइंड. होप यू गाइज enjoyed it. In case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want a similar video in future, we can do that again sometime, है ना?
Oh yes.
So let me know what your thoughts are about this one, so we can see if we have to do it again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.